Today we are going to discuss and to perform the experiment. The name of the experiment is to find out the angle of the prism. Okay, it is a light experiment. Okay, before performing or before setting the experiment, so you should know the some of the accessories are required. First one is the spectrometer. This is the spectrometer. Here is the telescope. This is the telescope. Here is the window. Okay, you can adjust the slit of this window. Okay, that window, and here is the one of the thick convex lens. Okay, and now you can adjust the distance between this window and lenses by this knob. Okay, this is the first part. It's called as the collimator, calling the light. Second part of the spectrometer is the prism table. This is the movable prism table because circular scales are there. Okay. Later part we are going to discuss about how to find out the least count level of the tree and how to take the readings. Okay. And come to the last part of this spectrometer instrument is this is the telescope. Here is the lens and here is the lens. You are just adjusting all these things. Cross wire is there. Okay. Whatever the light coming from this window, this lens, then goes to the prism and come to the telescope. Okay. So now you required the level bottle because optical instrument is there. Leveling is playing an important role. Okay. And this is the prism. This is the prism. There are the mostly three surfaces. This is the first, this is the second. So before starting the experiment, you should know, for this adjustment or leveling, you require this level bottle. You just see one bubble is there inside. Okay. So whenever the height adjustment and other things, you can adjust this using this and you can adjust properly. Okay. Second part is required for this is the glass prism. Okay. Glass is the one of the material. Okay. Its refractive index will be there. Okay. Here mostly these three faces are important. You just see this is the first surface. It is a plane and a transparent. Second one, this is also transparent. And go to the last surface. Here is the rough surface. Okay. This is the rough surface. It is not a transparent. Okay. So now and last point is this. This is the convex lens. Okay. And the use of this is to measure taking the reading of the spectrometer in vernier as well as main scale. Okay. Now you just keep this level bottle here for the collimator and it is going to be in center point. Air bubble is in center. Means this is proper level. Come to this is the prism table. You can keep the prism over here. You just put this. And now you see this bubble. Okay. So you have to set in this fashion and you have to keep this. Now it is in center. You just see. Okay. Again you have to put in this fashion. It is also in center. Okay. And after that there are the bottom two screws are there. Okay. So you have to see here. So you can adjust this. Okay. So now it is adjusted. Okay. Come to the last point and here the telescope. Okay. This will be the adjustment. Okay. Adjusted and it is a leveled. Okay. So last important point is how to take the readings. So now just see this is the main scale. Here is the main scale. Okay. It start from 0, 10, 20, 30. You just see here. This is the 0. This is the 10. Okay. And here is the 350 and it is a 360 and 0 start from here to here up to 0 to 360 degree. Okay, this is the main scale. And now come to this as your vernier scale. So now a 0 to 10 in between 20 lines are there. Okay, and it is in angle form. Okay, so now you can consider as a 30 minutes. Okay, now come to here 0 to 30. Okay, Now here also 10, 20 and 30. Okay. In between there are the 20 lines, means each line 0.5 degree. Okay. So now you just take the calculation. You just see these calculations. Okay. Here you are just seeing. This is the vernier, this is the main scale. Okay, main scale is nothing but the 0.5, because 0 to 10 degree, in between 20 lines are there, means each lines carries the 0.5 degree, and your vernier, total vernier scale is 0 to 30. You have to divide 30 minutes divided by 30, and that will be the 1 degree. Okay, 1 radian. Okay, this will be the least count of your spectrometer, and this is very important. Again, this is the main scale reading. Okay, smallest division on the main scale, that was 0 to 10. 20 lines are there, means each lines carry 0.5 degree, divided by the vernier scale 0, 10, 20 and 30, and it has to be divided total. Okay, total division on the vernier scale, and that divided by 30 minutes divided by 30, and that will be nothing but the 1 radian. Okay, this is the way you can find out the least count, and it is very important. Okay, this is the window, and the light is coming through this, and this will be the slit from the collimator. Okay, goes to the prism table. Okay, and then it will come to the telescope. You just see, I am rotating this telescope. This is the slit coming out from the telescope. Okay, first light come from the window, then collimators, and then come to the telescope, and then after here you just rotate this switch and observe that thing. You just see. Okay, it will not get a proper slit. Okay, so you will be very vertical line, very sharp vertical line in this fashion once the light should come. Okay, so now you have to keep your prism on prism table. Okay, it is rotating. Here is the rough surface, this is the plane surface, this is the plane surface. Whatever the light coming, that will come to this edge of this prism. Okay, then it will goes to this surface and this surface. Here rough surface is perpendicular to the collimator. That time what happens, this light will come here and this will be coming out in this fashion. Light come out to this surface and this it will be the come. So you will get the 2 slits. Okay, and that slit distance from first surface slit to the second surface slit, and its angle between these 2 slits is 120. Okay, you draw the normal to that, the normal to the one surface slit, it is a 60 degree, and that is called as the angle of the prism. Or same you will get here. So how to take the reading, I am just explaining to you once. Okay, so now you just keep this prism as on prism table. Now you rotate your telescope, and once rotated, then you just see here the slit is coming for this surface. You just, this is the slit. Okay, for this first surface. Okay, now your prism table is fixed, and now I am rotating this telescope on this side. Okay, this is this second surface side. Now this slit will come for this second surface of this. Okay, this spectrometer, there are the 2 windows. This is the first window, this is the first window, and another is the exactly on another side there is second window. Okay, so now how to take the readings? First you try to find out the vernier scale 0. Okay, now which line is coincide, and it will be come inside that. Okay, here you just use this, that time your answer will be 30, 34, 34 degree, and just a minute, 34 degree and 30 minutes. Okay, बराबर नहीं बन रहा है भैया. Okay, now window A and window B. Just now I explained to you and show you these two windows. You have to mark here A and B. First position of this side of this prism. Okay, this is the first positions. I am taking the reading A, and it will come near about 34 degree and 30 minutes. Okay, now I am taking the second reading. Second reading is 214. Second reading is 214 degree 30 minutes. Okay, for this position. Okay, now I am rotating this telescope on this second position. Your main scale is going to change. Okay, here is the slit. Okay, and I am taking the reading. So now here reading is so now the reading for this A window for the second surface for this position is 175 degree. Okay, and now this will come to the 95 degree. Okay, so now angle 175 degree minus 34, you have to minus, and it will near about 1 point. So now we are going to find out the angle. So now how to calculate? 175 degree. This is the degree. Okay, degree minus, now your is 34 degree 30 minutes. Now your answer will be 125. Near about 36. Okay, so now your answer is 125 degrees centigrade, 125 degree. Okay, and after that 30 minutes, and here is also 121 degree and 30 seconds, 30 minutes, 121 degree 30 minutes, and first window is 125 degree 30 minutes, and it divided by 2, it will near about 61 degree, and this will also come 60 degree 30 second. Okay, this will be you will get the angle for these readings. Okay, so now for this only rotating the telescope. Again, second method is you have to rotate the prism table, and you can calculate your angle of the prism. How to rotate this? Okay, first this position is fixed. Okay, this surface, this position is fixed. Okay, so you have to take this reading. This I am taking the reading of this first window 175 degree 95 for the second window B window. Okay, now come to the second position. Now this is the second position. Your A windows reading is 295, and this is nothing but the 215. Okay, we will write all these readings into the book. You just see here 175 first window A and B. Okay, this is A and B, and you have to minus this, you will get the 20, and divided by 20 you will get the 60 degree. By rotating the telescope, you rotate this, you will calculate the angle again rotating the prism table, you just rotate this prism table and you will get the reading, and both the readings has to be, angle of the prism should be in 60 degree. Sometimes what happens, if the vernier concern crosses the 360 degree, 360 marks in going from the x1 to x2 and otherwise y2 y1 to y2, that time you have to take in this formula, you have to directly 360 minus x1 minus x2, or 360 minus x1 plus x2, otherwise 360 minus y1 y2, otherwise 360 minus y1 plus y2. Both the way you can calculate this, and it is generally 180 degree minus theta, you will get the 60 degree. And this, by using this method, you directly find out the angle of the prism, okay, and your experiment is over. Okay, thank you.